to another episode of The Sweet Life with me, Honi Honeybee. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make pancakes. But first, get an adult to help you. I'll wait. Okay, now that you're back, let's begin. I have my flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder already. Go ahead and put yours into your bowl. I need your help for everything else. Let's begin. Okay, firstly, we need 1 glass of milk. Give me 1 second to get the milk. One glass of milk. Go ahead and add that to the bowl. Next, we need 2 eggs. Give me 2 seconds to get the eggs. 2 eggs. Count them with me. 1, 2. Go ahead and add them to your bowl. Next, we need 3 spoons of butter. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3. 3 spoons of butter. Okay, go ahead and mix everything together. Now that it's all mixed together, it's time for cooking on the stove. Get an adult to help you. Yummy! Now it's all done. You can smother it with honey like we do, or you can use any syrup of your choice. If you want to make it yummier, you can add chocolate chips. Now you can enjoy and share it with friends. Or a crazy monkey. Okay, kids, see you later and enjoy your pancakes. This has been another episode of The Sweet Life with me, Honi Honeybee. Can I just get one take? Just one of these shows to go my way? And for the love of honey, will someone please control that monkey?